Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Heartland Home Design. Today we have a delightful treat for all you cottage style enthusiasts out there. We are going to explore the art of decorating your home with thrifted and antique treasures. If you are ready to infuse your space with that cozy, timeless charm, and then keep watching. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can never miss any of our inspiring home decor ideas. The heart of any cottage style home is a cozy bedroom and also a living room. And we will start right here. Decorating with thrifted and antique pieces is all about character and history. Let's see what we have. This antique pictures frame is a timeless classic and it's the perfect addition to any cottage home. The front page add character and it can be filled with family photo or vintage art. Um, so in this video, we will showing multiple pics of some decor ideas, so you can collect these ideas and spark your creativity. So this crafted chair uh, is not just comfortable, but add a touch of nostalgia to your living room. A cozy throw blanket and some vintage cushions make it perfect for relaxation. Remember, each piece in your cottage style home tells a story. It's not about perfection, it's about the charm and history that these pieces bring them. Now, a cottage garden is a symphony of colors, textures, and fragrance. It's a place where flowers, herbs, and shrubs blend harmoniously. Picture a garden adorned with a riot of blooms, roses, lavenders, peonies, and daisies all come together in a wild, naturalistic arrangement. A quaint gate can be the perfect entrance to your cottage garden. It's the gateway to a wild beauty of tranquility. And to a charming cottage kitchen showing images. Now let's step inside a cottage style kitchen where warmth and functionality go hand in hand. In a kitchen, think of open shelving, vintage cookware, and plenty of wooden surfaces. Um, a cottage kitchens, it's both practical and visually pleasing. A kitchen island with a butcher block top not only add prep to space but also bring a rustic, homely feel to the room. So, thank you for joining us on this journey through the enchanting world of cottage garden and kitchen design. We hope you are inspired to infuse your space with that unique cottage style charm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration. And until next time, keep dreaming and design.